How come about this one?
A small thing ready? Just.
Oh, Jesus.
Don't worry.
Make coach get hooked today. Hi guys, today I am walking through 100% organic farm in the Caribbean, raw and uncut. Let's go. So what's up, tree?
So what's up, Chidi? That breadfruit.
This is not a breadfruit. This
No
is
shit, that grapefruit. That
grapefruit, some large
That's so what's up.
organic grapefruit.
I have a passion fruit tree there. Thank God. I got a planted tree over, so that's surely be mine.
Pineapple.
You could do it and just get. You have a plant, so just go. Watch me.
Trishan.
You watch me. And you skate. Watch me. I have no plants. Like, no. Oh, yeah.
Wait, just
Point them out.
right there.
The little passion fruit juice. What else? But we can't even store them.
Passion fruit. For me?
This?
Yeah, that one. Passion fruit.
And this one here.
They're not ripe. Go ahead.
It's like fine one. But damn pineapple. But damn pineapple.
Yeah, pick that one.
Oh, you see Grandpa Trap here?
Pick that one. And there's one behind it too. Behind it there.
This one?
Yeah. And if you come a little by the blue galvanized there's one more there. I should have bring my tripod.
What do you mean by that?
For my phone. To hold my phone.
Get this.
Sure.
Alright. Okay, passion fruit over there.
Sure. Okay, today I'm so fortunate. Fresh organic passion fruit.
But I don't realize what should really money?
Plum tree have on nothing. Pineapples. There's none to pick?
Nope. This is one of many. Grab up our next garden. Wanna feel like that thing there? This is Grandpa's first garden with a lemon. Okay, lemon juice. Yo, Jessica. This is bad.
Avocado.
This is bad. Yeah.
Lemon tree. Avocado trees.
Avocado from Mexico.
No, this is not avocado from Mexico. This
It's
is
a meme.
nice
It's a meme.
organic avocados.
Avocado from. Hey, don't pass wrong there. Alright, reach it.
Lemon tree.
I have a ton. One. A little small fig there, I think. Apple.
Fig trees.
Hey, look one I still right here.
Organic green fig. Tanya. Organic Tanya. Everything
Okay.
is organic.
Yeah, that coconut tree up there.
Grapefruit.
That's how we add grapefruit.
Grapefruit tree.
Next one.
So
No,
next
why not do
grapefruit.
that? That's the second bone. No. That's the second cocoa tree. I met the one.
Would I get internet from here?
Huh?
Would I get internet from here?
It does. This is the second one. Second cocoa tree.
It's been years since I haven't seen a cocoa tree.
Yeah. This one I think you start bearing. I see.
How come about this one?
A small thing ready? Just.
Oh, Jesus.
Don't worry.
Make coach get hooked today. Jojo.
Jojo,
Jojo, I'm hooked. I'm getting choked.
Jojo.
Push down this.
Hey.
Push it down. Push it down.
You're lucky at it.
Oh gosh!
Don't worry. When I can pass you
I
again.
was trying to come up on this fence and then I got hooked for a long while.
Don't worry. Oh yeah, look someday. I really wanted to share this, but easier. It's more easier. Come, it's more easier. You see?
Came from all this bush.
Alright.
Pomarac tree.
Was.
It is pomarac tree. It's just trimmed.
Yeah. Zorro Rambo.
This is a mandarin tree.
You can see 1 and 2 there.
Organic. Chinese coconut. They are so sweet. Organic.
Chinese coconut. Look at them shit there. Hey, what me? No.
And peas. They haven't come into season, or they didn't bear as yet. But although now is the season.
You see this?
Hold on, we have a bush, a wild meat trap. They didn't catch anything as yet. Hopefully it's gonna catch an agouti.
You get to see it like more clearly.
So you can hear the animals, and we're gonna go and we're gonna approach the animals now.
Alright.
You can hear the cow and the sheep by the paddock, by the pen. We have some Chinese coconut here again. It's a bit dark because the area is just dark. So much plants. I'm going to try to pass through something before I get hooked again. The barley is there. Where are we going to go, over here?
Nah. Can jump over that?
No, I can't pass over there.
That's slippery.
Hold on.
That's green. Almost got the green fig there. A lot more avocado. They have an apple tree right there.
Would I have internet from here, Jojo?
Yeah. Internet box over by the other house.
Come.
So there's the apple tree right there. Cheap friend.
The coconut plants. Coconut plants in abundance.
Yo, Jerry, everything good?
So my nephew is calling the cow Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Jerry is a big bull, eh? And the sheep up there, some of them went up there, up on the hill. And then we have the breadfruit tree. So the sheep are so happy. Everything organic from the animals, the crops, everything on the property organic. And the sheep are able to eat the breadfruit when they ripe and they fall. So silly. Okay, I'm entering the paddock and there's the coconut tree. And as I'm walking, I'm thirsty. I'll drink some good organic coconut today.
Well, Jerry.
Here at the paddock. And there's a cow. Zoom in. It's so fat. And that's the cow there. I don't want to go too close. I'm not going to go too close. There was much more. They were sold. And we're going to go up on the hill and through the bushes. Up on the mountain, and then we're going to go all the way around.